In early days of crypto, we have only two types of wallet. The first one is MyEther wallet, Mu, and the second one is MetaMask. On MetaMask, everything is going well, but still, whenever we have to trade on any other mainnet, we have to add that mainnet on the main platform. Like we have to enter the network name, the RPC, chain ID, currency symbol, and also the block explorer. But in this video, I am going to share a new platform, a new wallet, which is 100% secure, and secondly, it is going to help us in all the manners. It means that it is a multi-chain wallet and every type of mainnet will be added over there by the team. We don't have to worry about it. So if you want to know more about this platform, stay tuned with us because they already have their own native coin which is available in the market right now. So you have the chance to buy this altcoin, and secondly, you also have the chance to use this wallet to secure your all the funds. Stay tuned. You guessed it right, we are going to discuss about Shinobi wallet. Shinobi wallet is a multi-chain wallet. It means you can trade BSC scan altcoins, you can even trade the ERC20 altcoins, and very soon they are going to allow you to trade Polygon scan, AVAX altcoins, and also you can trade the Hiko scan altcoins on the Shinobi wallet. Now we are going to check out the white paper of the Shinobi wallet. What is Shinobi wallet all about? Shinobi wallet is a wallet plus DeFi aggregator. DeFi aggregator and basically it means that whenever you are going to hold any altcoin on the wallet of Shinobi, then definitely you will get some good rewards. It is basically an application from Japan and it provides the users with one-stop assets management service. The team aimed to become the world's largest staking transaction company. In addition, because Shinobi wallet has a mechanism to issue the unique tokens, users can receive the profits by using this wallet. For example, if you are going to hold any altcoin in MyEther wallet or in MetaMask, you are not going to get anything. And even on the Trust wallet, whenever you have to trade, you have to enter all the details and then you will be able to trade on the MetaMask and also on the myetherwallet.com. But on the Shinobi wallet, you don't have to enter any details. Simply you can trade on the Shinobi wallet, and whenever you are going to hold any altcoin on the Shinobi wallet, you will get some extra incentives by the team. Secondly, something more about the Shinobi wallet. It is basically a one-stop management system for all the crypto assets in the world with one wallet. Usually using on-chain crypto assets requires access to different platforms. If the users own only one type of crypto asset, there will be no problem. However, when the users own multiple crypto assets at the same time, it will become more complicated due to the increase in the number of the blockchains and also the platform. So overall, the Shinobi is going to help us in all the manners. Now, one thing, the altcoin Bookie is basically a native altcoin, and right now the supply is not as much, and as for my own idea, this coin will be huge. At this time, this coin is only and only available on the Uniswap exchange, so easily you can purchase this altcoin directly from the exchange. Here you can see the main website. Now basically the KGR is a completely fair cryptocurrency that are decentralized, elastic supply digital currency, solve the market manipulation and grow the economy of world with new concept. It's a rebase altcoin, so every time the supply will go down and the price will go up. So already they release on the Shinobi wallet. So overall, the idea of the Shinobi is huge, and very soon we'll be able to trade all the altcoins like Matic Network, BEP20, ERC20, and also the BTC chain on only one wallet. It means you can even hold your BTC, your Matic altcoins, your BNB, and also some BSC scan altcoins only on the Shinobi wallet. What do you think about this wallet? Do let me know in the comment section, because as per my own knowledge, this coin will be huge, and also this wallet will be a new revolution in entire crypto market. Thanks a lot.